Whole number operations. Our essential question today is, how can I fluently divide multi-digit numbers? Our first learning target is to recognize key terms to tell me what operation to use in a word problem. Some of the more common key terms you will see for addition include altogether, and sum. We also frequently hear the words in all or total to signal us to add. For subtraction, some of the more common key terms we use is difference, find the difference of 15 and 7, compute 15 minus 7, and what is 7 less than 15? Multiplication, we use the key terms product, times, multiply, or groups of. And then for division, we use the word quotient, and sometimes we also see word problems say split into groups. Our next learning target is, I know how to multiply multi-digit numbers. The example on the right shows 43 times 25. And I have two important steps. I'm going to start with an example. 201 times 12. I want to line up my factors on the right. So as you can see in the example, they're lined up on the right-hand side. Then it says multiply the lower factor's digits by each of the upper factor's digits. So if I color code these and start with the ones, I know 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 2 is 4. Then when moving to the next digit in the tens place, I need to add a 0 as a place value holder. When multiplying the tens place. I'd add 2 zeros if it's in the hundreds place. I'd add 3 zeros if it's in the thousands place. So in this case, I have 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 2 is 2. my last step is to add the partial products. I get the answer 2,412. Next, we're going to practice dividing multi-digit numbers. I'm going to start with an example. 316 divided by 11. I place the divisor on the outside of the division problem. So my divisor is the one doing all the work, all of the dividing. That would be 11. I place the dividend on the inside. And you'll notice that I do not make a big 7. I'm going to be using the standard algorithm. So we want to get rid of this whole line like we did in elementary school. And now I ask, how many groups of the divisor go into the first digit of our number, of our dividend? And it's 0. So then I can say, how many groups of 11 go into 31? And I get 2 groups. So I'm going to divide. Next, I'm going to multiply. 11 times 2 is 22. Next, I'm going to subtract my partial quotient from 31, and I get the remainder 9. Next, I'm going to bring down whatever digit comes next. And then I repeat my steps. So now I'm going to ask, how many groups of 11 go into 96? And I get 8 groups. 11 times 8 is 88. After I multiply, I subtract, and I get the remainder 8. (28) remainder 8 is the same as the answer 28 and 8/11. I can make my answer a fraction by putting the remainder over the divisor because there's 8 pieces out of 11 left. Take a minute and shade in your level of understanding, and we'll review more in class.